Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about Standard Maths Exam 2019, question number 20. This question came from the topic of probability, and it was from this question type 3. So let's go here on our study matrix from StudyNinja. And if we open the question number 20, so this is the question. We have our roulette wheel, which has got 37 numbers from 0 to 36, which all have equal probability of appearing. And what we are told is that the wheel is spun 18,500 times. And we need to find out the frequency of spinning the number 8. So in simple language, how many times can you expect 8 to appear if this is spun 18,500 times? So let's take the question out. So here we have the question. So in order to work this out, how many times number 8 will come, you first need to work out what is the probability of 8. So what is the probability of 8 appearing? 8 is one number out of 37 numbers, total of 37 numbers. So this is the probability of 8 appearing. Now the question is asking how many times, so in one attempt, you expect it to appear 1 over 37. That's the chance of appearing in one attempt. And then they're asking how many times it's going to appear in 18,500 attempts. So all you need to do is multiply it by 18,500 and you will get the answer, which is 500 times. Too easy.